Good morning, class 4th. I hope children you all are fine. Children, today we shall continue with the chapter which we had started in the previous period. Okay. The heading of the chapter was More on Internet. Lesson 4, and the heading of the chapter was More on Internet. Now, in this chapter we had studied till this remember box, in which the difference between or the similarity between the internet and the world wide web was discussed. Now we shall continue with the various terms that we come across when we discuss about internet or when we use internet. Now first term is website. A website is a set of related web pages containing content, media such as text, images, video, audio, etc., about many things such as a person, business organization, educational institutes, and games. Means website is like a book in which the web page are related to each other, and it contains content in various forms, like it can have text like the printed text, then images, pictures, videos, audios, and various other types of media like animation also. And it could be about person, place, business organization, educational institute, games, and many other topics which we can think of. Okay, so website is containing all those pages. Like for example, you have the website of our school, that is St. Patrick's Junior College. In that you can see things related to its infrastructure, the people working there, and various kind of activities, how to get admission, how to pay fees, etc., etc. So all the information that is related to our institution is available in the website. Now web page. Web page is part of a website, means just like a book has many pages, similarly a website has many web pages. It is a document or information that is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. Just like in our book we have printed pages, similarly in website the document or information is present in electronic form and not in the form of hard copy. Okay, that is the printed copy, but in the form of electronic form, and which is connected to the it is stored in a computer which needs to be connected to the internet. Why? Because we want to share the information or we want to get the information. That is why it is required that the computer which is containing a website and web pages should be connected to internet. Now it can be physically many times the length of an A4 sheet of paper or only a few lines. Means web page can have a longer document, it can be very long document, and it can be a short document as well. Fine. Now here the web page of msn.com is shown to you. You can see for the web page of this, and also the website of google.co.in is shown to you. Okay, you must have seen this website many times in your parents phone also and in the system also. Fine. So this is the first page or the home page of this website. Now, as I just said, home page. So we shall discuss about home page. Home page, the very first page which appears when you open a website is called the home page of that website. Means as soon as we open the website, any website, its first page will be called as home page. Like here you can see the home page of Friends publication. Fine. For example, look at the home page of www.friendspublication.com. This page contains the introductory information about the website. Means usually the home page is used for giving you the introduction about the website or the institution or the person or anything that it is talking about, it is used for giving the information about that thing. Okay, like even in our school website, you will see the first page is containing various kinds of information, not the detailing of that, but just the introductory information. Now, hyperlink. A web page also contains hyperlinks besides text and pictures. Hyperlink, this term you have come across in the chapter in which you were studying about the keyboard combinations. If you remember, it was given there. So, what are hyperlinks? A web page also contain hyperlinks, means if you open any web page, I will show you practically also, there are some text which have different colors than the usual ones. Usually it is written in blue color. Okay, so that kind of text is hyperlink. And what is the specialty of a hyperlink? Let's see. A hyperlink may be a text or picture. A hyperlink text is generally underlined and shown in different colors. If you click a hyperlink, it leads you to the part of the web page to which it is linked. Means hyperlink is always connected to a different page. Okay, like the page in which we are reading or which we are going through. If we will click any text there which is a hyperlink, it will connect us to different page, a totally different page, it will take us there. So this is the specialty of hyperlink, and you will understand it better when I will show you practically how this hyperlink works, and for that you need to wait for the practical video. Remember, when you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer generally takes the shape of a hand as shown. Means when you move the mouse pointer over the hyperlink, it generally takes the shape of the hand. The arrow thing of the mouse pointer changes to a hand. And this is the specialty of hyperlink. Okay, children, so today you will go through all these topics, you will read about them. Okay, and if you have system at your home, you can even try. You can try opening a website, then you can go through the web pages, you can see what all information is there in the home page, and you can even try using a hyperlink. Means you can click on the hyperlink and see how it will take you to different page. And how you will identify the hyperlink, just like see in this para, all the alphabets are in, all the letters are in black color, but this word is in blue color. So even when you will open any website, in that the hyperlink will be in different colors and it will take you to a different page. Okay, so this was all about in today's class, and again we will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.